prior domestic violence incident that occurred approximately a week and a half ago that involved a choking that she did not report to the police. She is in fear for her safety. On the day of this incident, she had indicated that they had been discussing breaking up. He's also has mentioned suicide in the recent past. Due to those factors and the defendant indicating at the time he was threatening to commit suicide, he had nothing to lose.
I'm going to set the bond in this case at $9,000, which is $8,900 on the aggravated assault and $50 for each of the misdemeanors, for a total of $9,000 with numerous special conditions. The first is that you cannot return to 1308 Topfield Court in Apopka, other than you are permitted to go back one time if it's in the accompaniment of law enforcement to obtain any personal possessions you may need or want, but you will have to have law enforcement accompany you there. Second, you cannot go to 1010 Sand Lake Road in Altamont Springs. Third, you cannot have any contact at all with Samantha Scheibe, Scheibe. And in case you weren't aware, Mr. Zimmerman, no contact means not in person, not by phone, not by mail, not by fax, blog, tweet, through Facebook, no contact at all. Next, no possession of any weapons or ammunition while you're out on bond, and that's in part for her safety and in part for your own safety, it may seem like. And I am going to order the impact monitoring device to keep you away from her and away from those particular locations, just to make sure there aren't any further altercations between the two of you. I'm not going to worry too much about your passport, but I will put as a condition no traveling outside of the state of Florida while you're out on bond. And those are the special conditions that I believe to be reasonable, and I think that's a reasonable amount based upon the additional allegation of a previous unreported potentially battery by strangulation. That's the reason for the increase in the bond amount. I'm not increasing your bond because of anything that's happened in the past, because as far as I'm concerned, this is a brand new case. And so we're going to go with the increased bond, those special conditions, and Judge Rex Seidler will see you back on January 7th, 2014.